What's good, world? It's Headband Witty here with a quick tutorial on how to get your Xbox One to sync up to your PC via Streamlabs OBS. Let's get right into it. So first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make sure that we have our Xbox One and our PC that we plan on streaming off of both up and running and connected to the internet. Then, from the PC side of things, what we're going to want to do is go into a web browser. For me, I'm using Firefox. And we're going to look up an application called Xbox Console App. All right, and once we're here, we're going to want to click and download this application. Now, what this application does in a nutshell is it's going to allow your PC to screen mirror your Xbox's display. So say you didn't have a monitor connected to your Xbox Direct via HDMI. I'm assuming that you could take this application and be able to sync it up to your Xbox without even needing the monitor. But that's for a different day. So yeah, we're gonna, once we have this installed, let's pull this up. We're gonna come to a screen like this, okay? Now this is the Xbox Console Companion. And what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna go to our settings, and in here, we're gonna find our sound settings, okay? And this right here is gonna make it or allow your party chat to sync up and go into your live stream overall from the PC side. So you guys are gonna want to make sure that all of this is configured out to your specifications and how you want it. So for me, my microphone and the microphone I'm currently using is in my audio interface, but you guys can just use a headset. Whatever headset you guys are using, it should work just fine. Anyway, so yeah, now that we got the Xbox Console app up and running, you're going to go to this button right here, and you press stream, and what that does is it brings up your Xbox stream and your Xbox gameplay. So click continue, and now here I got my controller right here, which is connected to the Xbox, and there we go. Just like that, I'm able to function really flawlessly, to be honest with you. You know, there might be like a millisecond delay on this, but it's to be honest, it's pretty unnoticeable. Okay? So now that we got that Xbox app up and running, and now that is streaming from my Xbox, I'm going to take you guys to the Streamlabs side of things here. So we're going to jump out of the streaming side so I can bring in Streamlabs over to this display. All right. So as you guys can see in my Streamlabs, I currently have this display going into the Streamlabs, hence this kind of never-ending little mirror effect here. So what I want you guys to do is we're going to go into our Sources tab, assuming that you guys have already set up a live scene for your guys' selves here. We're going to go into the Sources tab, and we're going to click this plus button. And that's going to bring you into an Add Source window, okay? Now we're going to want to go and find Display Capture. And here it is right here. We're going to double click on that. And this will bring you to the add existing sources. So for me, I already have Display Capture and Display Capture in parentheses 1. So these are already ones that I've had up, and I needed this capture up so I could do this tutorial. But for you, if you're new to this, you shouldn't be seeing any of these display capture options up. So what we want to do is we're going to click on Add a New Source instead. Click that slider over, and we're going to click Add Source. Okay? And make sure if you want to label your display, I would recommend it, just so you can distinguish which display you're going to be using. So for me, since I have my laptop with an external monitor, which is this right here, this would be essentially my display too. But that's up to you guys on how you want to label your stuff. So, actually, I guess my display one. All right, let's jump in here. So this is my display one. All right, we're gonna click that, and usually, most of the time, it pulls up your display capture right in the preview window right here. It's not doing that for me. Let's see if it'll still bounce over. Yep. So right there, it's showing the display capture, and we have that up and running. And here we'll get some gameplay, or we'll just get some game audio, so you guys can so we can verify that we are also getting sound into the stream. So let's go into our Xbox console app. Then we go to stream. And here we go. Let's find out. Ta-da! We can hear sound. We can hear sound. There we go. Alrighty. So yeah, guys, that is how you get your Xbox to stream over to Streamlabs OBS. And again, I am using Mixer, and with Streamlabs OBS, you're going to want to make sure that you connect any of your live streaming accounts to Streamlabs separate. So make sure you guys have that all taken care of before doing any of these steps here. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you guys hit that young follow button and that subscribe, and we will be coming out with another video very soon. Stay tuned.